This is an overview of the Tapscore Water Quality Lab Report filtration section. So if you are someone looking to buy a water filtration product, treatment solution for your home or for your business, the very most important thing for you to do is to get a laboratory test, a certified independent laboratory test. And Tapscore makes that easier than anyone. You can go to mytapscore.com. You can view many comprehensive drinking water test kits. Order them, free shipping both ways, and you're going to get sophisticated laboratory test results back, along with really helpful guidance towards understanding which of the 20 or so different water filtration technologies that are out there are best for you, your family, your home, your building. When you get your Tapscore results back in the mail, by email, you're going to get a report that looks something like this in front of us here. There will be a TAP score itself, in this case 58 out of 99. These are scored from 1 to 99. 99 is best, 1 is the worst. You get a health ranking, you get an aesthetics ranking, taste, smell, what are the things contributing to the color and the aesthetics of the water, and then a plumbing ranking. What is forming hardness in your water? How is this impacting dishes? How is this impacting your clothes and your showering? And then finally, there will be a view filtration options section, and we'll get there in just a bit. At any point in time, you can view sample info and see what this sample collection process looks like. So who collected the sample, what time did they collect the sample? It's helpful to have that button up here because you can remember, you can't always remember exactly where and when you took a sample, so it's recorded. Below here, the kind of main event, you have all results, everything that was tested for and detected in your drinking water sample. You can click on these things and learn more about the contaminants themselves. They'll pop up, read about the testing, read about the results. Is it high? Is it low? Is this risky? Is this just a taste concern? Is this something I should really focus on filtering and treating in my drinking water, or is it okay? We try to make that process very easy for you. Even if you're not a trained chemist or an engineer, we try to make it very easy to understand how big of a risk something is. Some things like fluoride are highly contagious, and some people have issues with high levels of fluoride. Other people want no fluoride in the water. Some people want some fluoride in the water. We're not judging or moralizing any of these things. We're just telling you what the facts are out of the lab. You can see the method that was used, the analysis date. You can read about all the contaminants here. And like I said before, you can go section by section here and read the health risks. Read the contributions that different contaminants are making to the smells, the taste, the colors of the water. Review how the water is impacting your plumbing and your appurtenant appliances throughout the home. Ultimately, many people buy a water test because they're trying to decide how to filter or treat their drinking water for consumption at home. And so when you get your all results and you review all your contaminants and you kind of get to that next step. That next step is up here, view filtration options. Now you have two main components to this filtration options window. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom first because what you can see down here is quite helpful. Technology by technology, you can see how these different technologies are going to affect the different contaminants detected in your Tapscore lab report. So in the case of reverse osmosis, we will see reduction in all of these contaminants, but we will not necessarily see reduction of these contaminants. With granular activated carbon, you'll see reduction of the trihalomethanes, but not necessarily of these contaminants. You can see all of the contaminants in your water and all of the technologies at the same time in this kind of treatment table. And what it does, it helps you get a sense for the kinds of technologies you're going to be looking for when you go and contact a water filtration company or search online to buy the right water filtration solution. You want to buy something that's going to work. You don't want to spend more than you have to. You don't want to spend less than you have to. And if you buy the right technology, you will live with peace of mind and great drinking water for many, many years. So this treatment section first tells you what technologies you need to improve your drinking water, but it goes one step further, and we have over here the option for you to send your lab report to one of the leading water filtration and treatment companies in the country. There is an ongoing list of companies up here, the list that includes companies who have assigned the WQA Code of Ethics, the Water Quality Association, a national water quality association that represents water quality filtration being done at a high level nationwide and in Canada as well. Products that are certified by organizations like the Water Quality Association, WQA, or NSF, the National Sanitation Foundation, or IAPMO. Products must be certified, and companies must be certified to be on this list, and they have to provide third-party lab testing. So any company on this list has to be willing to provide third-party independent lab certified testing on their website to make this list. There's no kickbacks, there's no affiliate fees when you share or get a quote from any one of these companies. Tapscore is not making money directly on any of that. It is a handshake. When you click get a quote, you're going to share your lab report by email with one of the companies or all of the companies if you want in order to get a quote from them. And this can be really useful if you're thinking about larger systems, whole home systems, because you really do need a professional to kind of see the lab report, understand the space constraints that you have, whether it's under your sink or on your countertop or in the garage or at the private wellhead. These are the kind of treatment expert questions you can't really get help with Tapscore from, because you need someone to really understand your premise, your budget, your location, and you're going to work with someone local as well. So we wanted to make this as easy as possible for you to go from I'm worried about my drinking water to I understand my drinking water because of my Tapscore report, and now I have a solution, a trusted, reliable solution to my problems via this Tapscore Trusted Treatment Experts tool. There are a million more things we could talk about, but I'm going to leave it there. If you do have questions about the Tapscore report or about the Tapscore Trusted Treatment Experts tool, please leave them in the comments section below, or you can contact us at any time at hello@mytapscore.com. There's always a little live chat button on every webpage of ours, and on every report. You can talk to us live here as well. We're very friendly. We want to be helpful. We're standing by, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you buying a Tapscore, getting a laboratory water quality test done, and drinking fabulous water. Thank you.